Tired of clunky websites that leave you hanging the moment your internet dips? Let's dive into the world of super progressive web apps, or PWAs, and transform your web experiences into something truly amazing. First, we'll start with a standard web page. Think of it as the blank canvas for our masterpiece. This is your typical HTML, CSS, and JavaScript setup. Nothing fancy just yet. Now, let's introduce the magic ingredient, the service worker. This JavaScript file acts like a middleman between your web app and the network, enabling offline capabilities and push notifications. Create a file named service workers. Inside, we'll add code to intercept network requests and manage caching during the install event. We'll cache essential assets like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files so the app can function offline. Next, let's implement a caching strategy. A popular approach is the cache strategy. The service worker will first check the cache for a requested resource, and if it's there, it serves it from the cache, resulting in instant loading times. To make our web app truly installable, we'll need a web app manifest. This JSON file provides information about your application, such as its name, icons, and display mode. This allows users to add the PWA to their home screen like a native app. Finally, let's enable push notifications to keep users engaged. This involves subscribing users to push services and handling incoming push events to display notifications, informing users of new content, updates, or promotions. And there you have it, a super progressive web app by using service workers, clever caching, push notifications, and a manifest file. Your web app will be reliable, engaging, and installable, providing an exceptional user experience. Happy coding!